In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track events in Google Analytics 4. If you're new to Google Analytics, or simply looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. We're going to focus, in particular, on how you can leverage the real-time reports to stay updated on the events happening on your site as they occur. Now, why is this important? Well, tracking events in real time can provide you with valuable insight into user behavior, allowing you to make data-driven decisions quickly. Let's dive into the actionable steps. To get started, you'll need to visit the Reports section of your Google Analytics 4 account. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, navigate over to the Real-Time option. This will bring you to a dashboard that's continuously updating with the latest data from your site. Immediately, you'll see an overview of your active users and a geographical map that'll give you a quick snapshot of where your users are coming from at that very moment. Now, focus your attention on the Event Count by Event Name section. This is where the event tracking comes into play. Here, you'll notice a running list of event names along with the number of times each event has occurred over the past 30 minutes. It's important to familiarize yourself with these event names, as they represent specific actions users are taking on your site, be it page views, clicks, form submissions, or video plays. Monitoring these numbers can help you identify trends or anomalies as they happen. If you want to dig deeper and inspect the specific parameters of a given event, simply click on the event that interests you. Doing so will reveal additional data, showing you details such as the event's dimensions and any corresponding values. This granularity offers essential context. For instance, if you track a purchase event, inspecting the parameters might reveal what items were purchased, for how much, and if there was a discount applied. This allows you to not only track the number of purchases, but also understand the behavior surrounding these transactions. A helpful tip as you work through this: regularly refresh and revisit your real-time report, especially during peak hours or after the launch of a new campaign. This will ensure you're capturing the most accurate snapshot of your data as it evolves. To wrap things up, using the real-time report in Google Analytics 4 to track events is an invaluable tool in the toolbox of any marketer or analyst. It gives you the ability to make timely, informed decisions. So, spend some time exploring and getting comfortable with what the data is telling you. By doing so, you equip yourself to not just understand, but strategically respond to your users' behaviors online. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and analyzing, and you'll soon become adept at leveraging these insights for success.